whenever you will want to produce electricity, so all the method, whatever the method you will use to produce electricity except solar system, you need a turbine and you need a generator. In physics, electricity, you saw the AC generator, and AC generator, you know that it moves, the coil moves between two magnets and it produces electricity. So you need a turbine and you need a generator to produce electricity with the help of the process known as electromagnetic induction. Now let's see how the turbine look like. The turbine is really simple thing, is like a fan wings, you can say, but it's quite big. So this turbine rotates. They are rotating this turbine. When this turbine rotates, they can rotate it with the help of wind. They can rotate it with the help of steam. So and they can rotate it with the help of water. When high pressure wind, high pressure steam, high moving water falls on this turbine, they move like a fan. And you can see their shafts, these ones. They are fitted with generator, and generator produce electricity. This one, if you took in physics, maybe you are not electricity, so inshallah you will study that one there. So this is the main function. As I told you, if you want to produce electricity except solar, you need a turbine and you need a generator. Understand? How they will use it? See here now. They are using this turbine now. If you see this turbine, here the high pressure steam is coming. See here. And when high pressure steam comes, this turbine rotates. When this rotates, it is fitted with the generator here. I will show you that one also. So then generator moves. Inside the generator, you have a coil. And that coil moves, produce electricity. So this turbine you can move with the help of water, with the help of steam, with the help of wind. Now see this one here. Aware of this one or not?
Yes.
Okay. Here, this is the coil, and this is your slip rings, and this is the brush, and this is the electricity. So when this coil rotates and electromagnetic flux is changed, at that time electricity is produced. So it means this is the generator part. So if you fit this coil with turbine, if I put a turbine here with this one, here turbine. So when steam comes, this turbine moves and this coil start to move and electricity start to produce. Here I can use steam, here I can use wind, here I can use water, this one here, to move the turbine. And turbine will move the generator and electricity is produced. Is easy or difficult?
Easy.
Easy. Okay, now see here. This is they already fit, this is the turbine part and this is the generator part. So they already fit a turbine with a generator. If the strong wind will come here, or the water will come here, or high pressure steam come here, it start to rotate and it is fitted with the generator and electricity start to produce. Here, for example, windmill, the wind, these wings, they move due to the wind. And here they have generator, and then generator produce electricity. So this is the main function, how electricity is produced. If the meeting will finish, so please go back to the same link and join again, which I sent in this one. So here again, they describe in a more simple way. This is the turbine. Here steam is coming, water is coming, wind is coming, this rotating, and it is fitted with the generator. This is a generator and electricity produced, which goes to the grid station and then your houses.